Carnival announces cruise delays but gives no reason, and a couple faces up to a year in jail over a marriage proposal. Before I get into today's first story, I have a major favor to ask everyone watching this video. I am less than 75 subscribers away from entering the first level of the YouTube Partner Program, which is something I have been trying to do for over a year now. Being a part of the YouTube Partner Program is something that is a major goal for me so that I can bring more videos to you, which is something that I really love doing. So if everyone watching today's video can just do me a favor and hit that thumbs up button and share this video so that YouTube knows that people are watching my video. And if you have a suggestion on where you want to see a future video, make sure you leave that in the comments below. I am always at Disney World, Universal, and we are even making a few trips over to SeaWorld. So make sure you leave those suggestions in the comments and I will go there to film a future video. I also have a major announcement. For the first time in over a year, we are going on a cruise, and if I hit my goal of 500 subscribers by the cruise, I will be going live for the sail away party. So make sure you are sharing my video and my channel so more people can come and be a part of the Club 1901 family. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you want to stay up to date on all things theme park, cruise, and travel, please consider subscribing with that notification bell on so you never miss a video. And if you are a returning subscriber, make sure you hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Now let's get into today's first story. Carnival has announced that the Carnival Frenzy ship will be returning late to its home port for 14 cruises. The Frenzy's home port is in Long Beach, California, and Carnival sent out a letter to cruisers letting them know about this delay. Part of the letter says, "We have made an adjustment to your itinerary for this cruise. Return time to Long Beach will now be at 9 a.m. This change will be reflected within 24 hours. So normally this wouldn't be a big deal. It's only an hour or so difference. However, if you have a flight that is very close to the time the ship is returning, that could potentially cause some issues, especially if there's traffic getting over to the airport. So it's something that you definitely want to check your inbox for and see if you are affected by those delays. When it comes to booking flights for your cruise or travel after your cruise, make sure you give yourself extra time so that in case something like this happens, that you are not scrambling last minute to try to change your flights or come up with alternative ways of getting to your destination after the cruise. Before I end today's video, I want to take a minute to say thank you to so many of you that have taken the time to watch my videos and subscribe. Me pivoting from Disney to cruising was something I thought about for a really long time, and I'm really excited to see that you guys are liking the videos and watching them. But if you are here for the Disney content, don't worry, that's not going away. I actually have a couple of vlogs that are going to be coming out very soon, so make sure you click that notification bell so you don't miss those videos. And if you are sticking around for more information about our upcoming cruise, we will be doing the sail away party on the 30th of May, so that is only a couple of weeks away. So again, make sure you're clicking that notification bell so that you get notified. We are very close to our goal of reaching 500 subscribers, so I'm really excited about that and just wanted to take a minute to say thank you. For my last story, a couple from Slovenia was on a cruise that stopped in Marseille, France. And this port of call was very special for the guy because he was planning to propose to his girlfriend. He had this all planned out and even brought along a drone, which, spoiler alert, they are highly restricted in that area. But this cruiser did not know that. So he had the drone up in the air when he prepared to make his proposal to his girlfriend. And while he was down on his knees, allegedly, he was approached by authorities in that area. The man and woman were arrested for violating the drone policy in that area. Now, the crazy thing about this story is that they potentially could face up to a year in jail for this violation. This story has a lot of people upset, saying that the potential of a year in jail is too much and they should have just gotten a warning. Now, the thing with this story is he was actually proposing to his girlfriend in front of the Notre Dame, which has very, very strict laws, like I mentioned earlier. As much as it kind of sucks that this couple could be facing up to a year in jail, it is your responsibility as a cruiser to know the laws in the country that you are going to. So let's all learn a lesson from this and make sure we are really focused and tuned into the laws and the ports of call that we are visiting while we are on cruises, so this doesn't happen to anyone else. I will definitely be looking for updates to this story. Hopefully they do just get off with some kind of a warning, or even potentially maybe a small fine, and that they don't actually have to spend any time in jail for something that really was innocent. And it also kind of sucks that the potentially best day of their lives was kind of ruined because they just didn't know the rules in that area. That's going to be it for today's video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. And if you want to stay up to date on all things theme park, cruise, and travel, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you never miss a video. Until next time,